Hey, cheese fanatics, we all love cheese, don't we? Whether it's melted on a pizza, sprinkled over pasta, or just a slice on a cracker, cheese is a staple in many of our diets. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it adds that perfect touch to so many dishes. But have you ever stopped to think about what happens when we eat too much of it? Let's dive into the cheesy truth about overindulging. While cheese can be a delightful addition to our meals, overindulgence can lead to some serious health issues. It's important to understand the balance between enjoying cheese and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So let's break it down and see what too much cheese can do to our bodies. Cheese is delicious, no doubt. From cheddar to mozzarella, brie to Gouda, the variety is endless, and each type brings its own unique flavor and texture. But just because something tastes good doesn't mean it's always good for us. It's easy to get carried away, especially when cheese is so versatile and can be added to almost any dish. But did you know that eating too much can actually mess with your health? It's true. While cheese does have some nutritional benefits, like being a good source of calcium and protein, it also has its downsides when consumed in large quantities. Let's explore some of the health issues that can arise from overindulging in cheese. First off, cheese is packed with saturated fats. These fats can raise the level of cholesterol in your blood, which can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. It's important to be mindful of the amount of saturated fat we consume, and cheese is one of those foods that can sneak up on us if we're not careful. Too much of it can lead to high cholesterol and heart problems. High cholesterol can cause plaque to build up in your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow through. This can lead to serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. So, while that extra slice of cheese might be tempting, it's important to think about the long-term effects on your heart health. Second, it's loaded with sodium. Sodium is another ingredient that can be harmful in large amounts. Many types of cheese are high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke, so it's crucial to monitor our sodium intake. Excess sodium can raise your blood pressure, making your heart work overtime. When your blood pressure is high, your heart has to pump harder to move blood through your body. This can weaken your heart over time and increase your risk of heart disease. So while cheese can add flavor to your meals, it's important to be aware of how much sodium you're consuming. And let's not forget the calories. Cheese is also high in calories, which can contribute to weight gain if not eaten in moderation. It's easy to overlook the calorie content of cheese, especially when it's added to so many dishes, but those calories can add up quickly, leading to unwanted weight gain. Those cheesy treats can pile on the pounds if you're not careful. But hey, don't panic. Moderation is key. It's all about finding a balance. You don't have to give up cheese entirely, but it's important to enjoy it in moderation and be mindful of portion sizes. A little bit of cheese can go a long way in adding flavor to your meals without overloading on calories. Enjoy your cheese, but balance it out with some healthy choices. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. These foods can help offset some of the negative effects of eating too much cheese and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. So next time you reach for that extra slice, remember, a little cheese goes a long way. It's all about moderation and making smart choices. By being mindful of how much cheese you're eating and balancing it with other healthy foods, you can enjoy the delicious taste of cheese without compromising your health. Stay cheesy, but stay healthy, folks. Remember, it's all about balance. Enjoy your favorite cheesy dishes, but do so in moderation and make sure to include plenty of other nutritious foods in your diet. By doing this, you can have the best of both worlds, delicious cheese and good health. So go ahead, indulge in that cheesy goodness, but always keep your health in mind. Stay cheesy, stay healthy, and enjoy every bite. Welcome back, cheese lovers. Now that we've discussed the potential downsides of indulging in too much cheese, let's take a closer look at its nutritional profile. Cheese is indeed a rich source of several essential nutrients, making it both a delight for our taste buds and a boon for our bodies when consumed in moderation. First up, let's talk about calcium. Cheese is one of the best sources of calcium, which is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a crucial role in nerve function, muscle contraction, and blood clotting. So, enjoying cheese in moderation can contribute to your overall bone health. Next, we have protein. Cheese is packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Protein is also important for producing enzymes and hormones, and it serves as a vital source of energy. Including cheese in your diet can help you meet your daily protein needs, especially if you're following a vegetarian diet. But as we mentioned earlier, cheese also contains significant amounts of saturated fat. Saturated fats can raise your LDL cholesterol levels, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL levels can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke, so it's essential to keep an eye on your saturated fat intake. Then there's sodium. Cheese can be quite high in sodium, which is necessary for fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle function. However, excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. It's important to choose lower sodium cheese options when possible and to be mindful of your overall sodium consumption. Let's not forget the vitamins. Cheese contains several important vitamins, including vitamin A, which is crucial for vision and immune function, and vitamin B12, which is necessary for red blood cell formation and neurological function. These vitamins contribute to your overall health and well-being. In summary, cheese is a nutrient-dense food that offers several health benefits when eaten in moderation. It provides essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins, but it's also high in saturated fat and sodium. By being mindful of portion sizes and balancing cheese with other nutritious foods, you can enjoy its benefits without compromising your health. Stay tuned for more insights on how to make the most of your cheesy indulgences while maintaining a balanced diet. Remember, it's all about moderation and making informed choices. Until next time, stay cheesy and stay healthy. Welcome back, cheese enthusiasts. In our previous chapters, we explored the nutritional benefits of cheese and why too much of it can be detrimental. Now let's dive deeper into the health risks associated with excessive cheese consumption. Firstly, let's talk about heart disease. Cheese is high in saturated fats, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL levels can increase your risk of developing heart disease and stroke. Regularly consuming large amounts of cheese can therefore put a strain on your cardiovascular system. Next up, we have high blood pressure or hypertension. Cheese is also high in sodium, which is necessary for fluid balance and muscle function. However, too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. It's essential to choose lower sodium cheese options and be mindful of your overall sodium intake. Another significant risk is obesity. Cheese is calorie-dense, meaning it packs a lot of calories into a small serving. Consuming cheese in large quantities can contribute to weight gain and, eventually, obesity. Obesity itself is a risk factor for a multitude of health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. So, what can you do to enjoy cheese without compromising your health? Moderation is key. Opt for smaller portions and try to balance your cheese intake with other nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Also, consider choosing lower fat and lower sodium cheese varieties to reduce your intake of saturated fats and sodium. In summary, while cheese can be a delicious and nutritious part of your diet, it's important to consume it in moderation to avoid potential health risks. By making informed choices and being mindful of portion sizes, you can enjoy the delightful taste of cheese without putting your health at risk. Stay informed, stay healthy, and as always, stay cheesy. Welcome back, cheese enthusiasts! In our previous chapters, we explored the nutritional benefits of cheese, the risks associated with excessive consumption, and how to enjoy it in moderation. Now let's turn our attention to some healthier alternatives for those who love cheese but want to maintain a balanced diet. First up, we have nutritional yeast. This deactivated yeast has a cheesy, nutty flavor and is rich in B vitamins, protein, and fiber. Sprinkle it on popcorn, pasta, or salads for a guilt-free, cheesy taste. Next, let's talk about hummus. While it doesn't taste exactly like cheese, hummus is creamy and versatile, making it a great spread for sandwiches or a dip for veggies. Plus, it's packed with protein and healthy fats from chickpeas and tahini. Another excellent alternative is avocado. Its creamy texture makes it a fantastic substitute for cheese in sandwiches and salads. Avocado is also rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. For those who prefer a more traditional cheese substitute, try plant-based cheeses made from nuts, soy, or coconut. These options often have lower saturated fat and sodium levels compared to dairy cheese. Look for brands that fortify their products with calcium and vitamin B12 to get added nutritional benefits. Finally, cottage cheese and ricotta made from low-fat or skim milk can be healthier options if you still want to enjoy dairy. They are lower in fat and calories compared to many traditional cheeses and can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast bowls to lasagna. Incorporating these alternatives into your diet can help you enjoy the flavors and textures you love without compromising your health. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and exploring new foods can be both fun and beneficial. Thank you for joining us on this cheesy journey. Stay informed, stay healthy, and as always, stay cheesy.